Hello, I'm José Ernesto Amorós. I'm now visiting Maastricht School of Management because I'm working with the Dean, Wim Naudé, in a very interesting research project related to entrepreneurship and well-being. We started a few years ago working on this topic because obviously Wim have a very interesting research related to entrepreneurship and development, and then also involved in a huge research project, international research project called Global Entrepreneurship Monitor, GEM. GEM is probably one of the largest entrepreneurship research academic project worldwide that cover in 16 years more than 100 different economies across the world. Obviously, using the GEM data from 2013 opened us a big opportunity to make or extend our previous research. In this way, we are now doing two very interesting pieces of research. One is more general in order to look for differences between all the countries that we have data from 2013, that is 72 countries, and try to inquire what is the degree of subjective well-being or happiness that the entrepreneurs and non-entrepreneurs people experiment. And the second one is more focused on sub-Saharan Africa countries, trying to test again the degree of happiness that entrepreneurs and non-entrepreneurs experiment, and also we introduce other well-being variables like work-life balance and quality or satisfaction with the job. In the last year we are iterated with the data, that is a huge database also, and start to emerge very interesting results. If we compare all the countries that we have in our database, we find that the propensity to be entrepreneurs is shaped by the degree of subjective well-being, and also in the reverse way. People that are involved in entrepreneurship activities experiment greater levels of subjective well-being, independently of they are motivated by opportunity or by necessity. And in GEM we define people that are involved in entrepreneurship activities by necessity. And this is interesting, independently if the people are saying that necessity-based entrepreneurship push them to be entrepreneur, they also experiment some degree of life satisfaction or happiness. Obviously, people that are involved in opportunity-based entrepreneurship experiment highest degree of well-being. So we are now doing more deep research with these 9 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. One of the results that we are now finding that is very interesting related to sub-Saharan African countries, according to the work-life balance that they experiment, is that be entrepreneur, it's causing more work-life balance, probably because many of these entrepreneurs are founding their initiative, their startups around the family, with the family, and for the family. And this is very important, independently if they are opportunity or necessity-based. And we know that in Africa there are a huge number of entrepreneurs that are necessity-based entrepreneurs. So this combination of things probably is causing that these people with these capabilities, with these new activities, are improving the way to live and also be entrepreneur. Again, independent if you are opportunity, necessity. In Africa, it's an important way to create development for their societies. We continued working on this. We hope that we can continue doing interesting things with this data and also with other data, and obviously because entrepreneurship is a very important part of the research here in Maastricht School of Management, but also at UDD in Chile. This collaboration between these two institutions, we will have very interesting fruits in the future. And obviously I'm more than happy to continue working, and I want to extend my gratitude and my congratulations to Wim Naudé teams and in Maastricht School of Management for these very interesting projects related to entrepreneurship worldwide. Thank you very much.